Hello my dears, welcome to this channel about Belarus, Belarusian culture, nice people, beautiful places, and Natalia with you, your personal travel guide, insider and advisor from Belarus. Oh, what a day today! It's so hot and I'm melting under the sun. Thanks God I live close to the lake, just on the lake, and after making this video episode for you, I'm gonna jump right into this lake. I continue my vloggings from Vitebsk region for you, and I want to show you the place, our guest house where we spend our vacation. So I came here with my daughter and a friend. And of course I cannot, my inner vlogger cannot hide it from you, because I want you to see this place. And maybe in the future you will choose it as a place for having a vacation, who knows. I definitely want to advertise this part of Belarus for you. Let's start. So let me show you our summer cottage. It's not actually a summer cottage but a guest house, and my friend Alexander, he built it a few years ago and now rented to people who want to come to this place for vacation or spend the weekend. Up to 8 people can stay in this house. There are 2 rooms, one tiny kitchen, banya. Everything is simple, but this place is really wonderful. You know, 2 years ago I lived close by. I visited my friend Oksana. You remember I made a video about goat farm. So it is in the same village, 5 minutes walk from this house, and I was passing by and saw this beautiful house, and at that time I said, I want to stay here. Then I got acquainted with the owner. We started to communicate and became friends, and now I visit this place quite often when I want to escape from the city. And I invite my friends to this place to share this wonderful atmosphere. Look at this. Lake Ives. I will leave a contact down below this video, so you can find this place in Google Maps, and if you wish to come in the future you will have this opportunity. Our local resort. Look at this. 2 staircases, and if 2 families are coming to this place, they can choose separate entrance. Let's go inside and check it out. And there is banya on the first floor. Let's check banya. Let's start from banya. Tomorrow we will do our banya. Now, ta-da! I don't know, is it actually it's dark here and it's not on. And can you imagine, during winter we jump directly from banya, we run to this lake and swim in the lake, not only in summer but in winter as well. Kitchen, refrigerator, so it's our cooking place. Elena made it so comfortable and cleaned. Washed our plates. So I cannot say that it's a big kitchen, but everything we need we have here to cook food, to keep products in the refrigerator, everything. So I'm show you our rooms. So there is a corridor and the connection in between rooms. There is a place where you can work or drink your morning tea with a view to this lake, but I prefer to sit downstairs outside and drink my morning coffee there. So 2 single beds and 1 double bed is here. 1 family with 2 kids can live here, or a company of friends. Not lots of furniture, everything looks modest but quite fresh. So this house is not old, as I said. Toilet here. A shower is in Banya. So if you want to take a shower, you have to go downstairs to Banya place and take a shower there. But it's still okay. I love this place for its simplicity, you know. Let's check out my room. So my working place here, my laptop, so I will edit this video tonight in this place. Our refrigerator, lots of clothes, my little angel is here, a leaf. So nothing special, the same room. So if there are 8 people, they can come to this place and feel quite comfortable. Some pictures. It's not hot because outside it is real summer. Today is the 3rd of August and I can say that it is better to stay here than in the city. Just enjoy the nature and the sounds of nature. Today I'm planning to swim to another bank of this lake. What do you think? Will I do it or not? So what do you think about this place? Leave your comments down below this video. Be active, it will help to make my channel more visible. Don't be shy to do it. Even if you just leave a smile, it will be a great support to me, because sometimes you write me questions or some nice words of support using private messages, but you don't leave any comments. I need your comments, guys. Please do it and stay active, and I will film more interesting videos for you. Okay, deal? Super. Now I want to tell you that this type of tourism, we call it agro-ecotourism in Belarus. It's so sunny. It is quite popular these days. Nowadays started to be popular more than 15 years ago, because there was a program of supporting young entrepreneurs, and the task of our government was to develop this type of tourism in Belarus, because it wasn't popular at all. People, I don't know, went to daches and stayed in their gardens, but not everyone can afford going to sanatoriums, and not even everyone want to go to sanatorium, because you see, it's more beautiful. If you don't need any medical treatment, it's a perfect place to stay. And more and more such guest houses, we call them farmsteads, but it's not like a real farmstead. It's a guest house where the hosts provide some services for their guests. It can be just accommodation with banya, some tours or excursions, or you can visit any master class and so on. For example, here in this place, this guest house Radush, in 5 minutes walk we have goat farm. I will film it for you tomorrow, but I already made the video. I will leave it right here. It was 1 year ago. Another place is on another bank of this lake. There is a sanctuary island. I filmed the video, leaving it to you right here. So another place of your rest. And there is also a horse farm, so you can go and ride the horse over there, and lots of other activities. So people coming to this place, they have a complex of different services. It's my favorite place, so I love to come here, as I already mentioned. But there are 3,000 of such private guest houses officially registered in Belarus, and it means that you have a variety of choice if you choose to come to Belarus. This is what I wanted to share with you. Look at this beautiful sky. So I wish you to have a wonderful day. Stay on my channel, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to support me. You can buy me a cup of coffee if you like this video. See you guys in my next video.